This is 1963 Dodge Polara two-door hardtop. Interesting grille in the front. The car is becoming much more like every other American car at this point with the styling. The grille is a little strange. The headlight position is a little different with the kind of on the diagonal between the low and high beam. Interior is very nice, white with those bows going across the top of the car, reminiscent of a convertible. The front has a bench seat with armrest that comes down, so you can seat 2 or 3 in the front. It has a push button automatic. On the left there you see the controls. On the right, push buttons for the heating and ventilating and air conditioning. And this car has air conditioning. You can see by the vents there on top of the dash, which are open, and there are vents down there at the lower part of the dash. Nice deluxe steering wheel. This is one of the more practical cars I think that really was out at the time. You could seat 3 in the front and 3 in the back, and no console with floor shift that got in the way of another passenger. Very conventional styling here in the back. Dodge was, and Plymouth too, they were changing their styling quite a bit in '63 and making it more like the usual Fords and Chevys that were out there. These wheels are certainly aftermarket wheels. They go along nicely with the car. The other series for '63 was the 330 and the 440, and then of course you had the bucket seat Polaras, the Polara 500.